Welcome back, guys. This video is going to be totally random and it's something I'm just going to try. So I got my buddies Chevelle in here, kick-ass car, and we need to do fan shroud upgrade, or build our own fan shroud. We need to cut the door bars out. We need to put swing out door bars in. We need to do window nuts, and we need to build a custom fuel cell that holds 25 gallons of pump gas, 5 gallons of race gas. So I'm just going to put a bunch of clips in here, a little bit of music, and unfortunately it's all filmed the wrong way, but I want to see if you guys like it. So let me know at the end. Appreciate it. We are down to welding this bung, welding the fill into that tank. I need to stainless steel, put the stainless steel threads into these, the helicals into those four. One will go here, one will go here. This 5-gallon tank will bolt to this 25-gallon tank. Then we got to weld the filler, the vents, the returns, all that into that tank and air test it. So as you can see, the car is gone. So all we have to do now is weld a couple of fittings on that one. The freaking dog's trying to climb in the car. What are you doing? She doesn't want to say what she's doing. So we gotta weld these up, air test them, bolt everything together, and then we'll run this tank back over to our buddy Mike and he'll install it in his car, plumb it, and be ready to go. So yeah, it's about 53, 54 hours and however long this video is. So we're definitely not professionals, but we really know enough to do it wrong.